Aiden. Let's go. Let's go. Sit up. Please.
Aiden, what's happened? What are you upset about? What's wrong?
Aiden. You're in the corner all alone. I'll try to give him some comfort. Watch.
Careful.
No, watch. Aiden, buddy. Come here, buddy. Do you want mommy to hold you? Okay, buddy. It's okay.
Aiden.
Come here, buddy. Let mommy hold you. Can mommy hold you?
Oh.
Let mommy hold you. Let mommy hold you. Okay. I'm slightly concerned now.
Aiden,
What set him off? Like,
I pulled him out of the car. I brought him inside because he'd been in the car for 10 minutes. Just parked there. So, Aiden.
Aiden, stop.
He's getting stuck in his head.
I'm not letting you do that.
I'm going to bed.
Do you want...
Do you want to go to bed? Well, then stop crying.
You gotta stop and calm down, okay? Can you sit up? You want me to put your shoes back on?
Aiden.
Aiden,
Do you want
hey.
do you want a biscuit?
Do you want me to put your shoes back on? Let's put your shoes back. Do you want your shoes put back on? Okay. Do you want us to put your shoes back on?
Aiden, do you want a biscuit?
Do you want her shoes back on? I think he wants his shoes back. Do you want me to put your shoes on? Okay, let's put your shoes on. Okay, let's put your shoes on. Calm down. Let's put your shoes back on. Okay, ready? Okay. Okay. Okay, well, can you want to get your other shoe? We'll put your other shoe back on. Can you get your other shoe? Here we go. You want me to put it on? Okay. Okay, we'll put your other shoe back on. Here we go. Can I put it on? Here we go. Okay, you don't want it on? Do you want it on? Here we go. Okay, ready? You want to go outside? Is that the problem? You gotta find your hat.
Where's your hat?
Where's your hat? If we get... Shh, it's okay. It's okay. That's calm. Do you want to stand up and we'll walk outside? Can you stand up? Maybe I'm actually getting really concerned. No, I don't think it's too cold for him though. Without a hat and gloves and... Keep soaking.
Well, you behave like a goose. Mum doesn't want to come out here. Where's the screwdriver?